Hi class, welcome to session number 2. Previously, let us remind ourselves, we discussed about the introduction for liquid pharmaceutical compounding, and within that introduction we discussed about the historical background for compounding. We discussed about the definition for compounding, what is pharmaceutical compounding, and lastly we discussed about the reason for compounding. We discovered so many things, and within the reason for compounding we identify more than 5 reasons. Now, from those reasons, we have personnel and the premises requirement for compounding. This is session number 2. Now, let us concentrate and to see. Now we are going to describe who are those persons who are responsible for compounding and where are they supposed to compound. Tunaenda kuona ni watu gani wamehusika kwa compounding na ni mahitaji gani yanahitajika, na pia tutaweza kuona ni maeneo yapi. Tunaanza kuona watu na baadaye tuona maeneo ambayo watu za compounding. Kwanza kabisa, katika kipengele hiki, from these sessions we are going to cover 2 things. One is personnel requirement for compounding, and 2 premises requirement for compounding. Now let us start with the personnel requirement for compounding. Here our intention is to know the person who is responsible for compounding. Not everybody can compound our medications, but we have a specific personnel who are responsible for such task. Therefore, 1, the following are personnel required for compounding. 1 is pharmacist. Pharmacist is the one supposed to compounding a pharmaceutical product. 2nd is pharmaceutical technicians, and the 3rd is pharmaceutical assistants, and the last is pharmaceutical dispenser. Therefore, from this slide we have mentioned only 4 personnel who are supposed to compound our pharmaceutical product, not other persons. Here, not nurses, not doctors, not radiologists, not lab technicians, and many others, except only pharmacist, pharmaceutical technician, assistant, and dispenser. These are the persons supposed to compound the pharmaceutical product. Now, after being familiar with personnel who are supposed to compound the pharmaceutical product, now let us see the area where these people or these personnel are supposed to compound the pharmaceutical product. One the area which is supposed to compound this is pharmaceutical laboratory. We have pharmaceutical laboratory in different places, and especially in different countries they have pharmaceutical laboratory. This is a place where we expect to see pharmacists, pharmaceutical technician, pharmaceutical assistant, and dispenser to compound the pharmaceutical product. Another area for compounding is pharmaceutical industry. We have many industries in our country. We have the NUFA, we have Shells, we have HECO, we have many. In East Africa we have Abacus, we have Aries. You can mention as many as possible. Those are pharmaceuticals who are supposed to compound the pharmaceutical product, and the personnel which you can find there are the one we have covered from the last slide. Another area for compounding a pharmaceutical product is pharmaceutical training institution. Like your institution, within your institution we have pharmaceutical laboratory compounding. That is a place where we compound our pharmaceutical products, and especially for training purposes. That's why even we as a class, we shall practice, we shall prepare our pharmaceutical product. Since we are dealing with liquid preparation, we shall prepare aqua solid solution, we shall prepare magnesium carbonate mixture, we shall prepare many as possible. And from those pharmaceutical products you're going to prepare, now we shall see on how these pharmaceutical products are being used in different diseases. And the last is the area for compounding is drug outreach. When you say drug outreach, this is a place where the drugs are given to the patient. For example, in the pharmacy, community pharmacy, and also we have community pharmacy, we have doctor community facilities. These are places where we expect to see pharmaceutical personnel present from those areas, so that in case for preparation of a certain drug, they are the one who is responsible to prepare such medicine. That is the end of my presentation. I wish you a nice day. Bye. See you next session number 3. I wish you happy day and God bless you.